RB College. As you also know, this is the top college of Comet. Now, if you talk about for BMS ITM, 6,000, 9,000, 8,000. Right, and this is Amit. As you all have appeared for Comet K 2024 and you are waiting for the results. So here I am with the top 30 college expected cutoff for this year. So please try to watch this video up to the last where you will get the complete information regarding all the college. So let's get started with the video. First is RB College. As you also know, this is the top college of Comet K. Not only Comet K but all over India people know about this college. This is the top college of one of the top private college of India, that is RB College. So here is the information regarding the cutoff for CSE up to 550 rank. Up to the last round you will able to get. Last round means third round, not the exclusive round. In exclusive it can go up to 800, 900 rank also if there will be seat availability. Similarly for CSE specialization 950. So whatever I am providing you the expectation, that is for third round. If you do better counseling up to third round, you will surely get the college whatever I am providing you. I have considered everything for this year trend. There is complete number of students has been increased. Also the number of seat in different private college has been increased due to the CSE specialization courses introduction. So that will have the effect on this as well. So I am providing you the cutoff information, that is expected cutoff information after considering everything. So for ISE, Information Science Engineering, in other college it is called IT, here it is ISE. So 1.1 thousand rank, and for EC 1.7 thousand. For BMS college 1.6, 3.2, 2.8 and 4.5 thousand. That is for CSE, CSE specialization, ISE, EC. In some of the college there are lots of CSE specialization are available. In that college CSE specialization cutoff will be more as compared to ISE. But in some college where only the top CSE specialization like AI, ML, data science is available, in that college the ISE cutoff will be higher as compared to CSE specialization. So for MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology 1.7 thousand for CSE, CSE specialization 3.1 thousand, ISE 3,000, EC up to 5,000 you will get the seat. Now if you talk about for the Anand Sagar College of Engineering 4,000, 6.4, 6.5, 12, and whatever I am providing you, there is no ranking 1 to 30. I am just providing you top 30 college. So try to watch the video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. For BIT 7, 10, 11 and 16,000, it is Bangalore Institute of Technology. So here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance program and mentorship up to admission is done. It is not only for Comet K, but if you want you can join only for Comet K, but for all entrance exam I am guiding so that you can get into the best possible college, because you will do Comet K at the same time you will do Manipal, BITSAT or JOSA counseling or AEEE, VIT, everything. So I will be guiding you for all the counseling so that you can select the best, because ultimately you need to join any best college. You can't join all the college whatever you have appeared the entrance exam. So hope you get my point. In the next section you will able to check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is the JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, AEEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a detail. So hope you have checked the detail. You can join through Instagram, WhatsApp number available in the description box, through app and website also you can join. The link is available in the description box again. Now if you talk about for Acharya Institute of Technology 27, 33, 36, 45,000. For KLE, BVCT also, it is commonly known as BVCET. So 17,000, 19,000 and 30,000. That is for CSE, CSE specialization, EC respectively. There is no ISE branch available in this college. Now if you talk about for BMS ITM 6,000, 9,000, 8,000, 13,000. For CMR IT 15, 16, 25, 35,000. For DSATM, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management 23, 35, 34 and 43,000. For Dr. Ambedkar 21, 28, 26 and 35,000 will be the cutoff. For SJC 4,000 will be the cutoff, that is CSE branch only available. Now if you talk about for JSS Academy of Technological Advancement 21, 25, 27, 38,000. For NIE Mysore North Campus 8, 9 and 12,000. It is for CSE, CSE Specialization, ISE, and EC is available in South Campus. That will be the cutoff of 15,000. and BNM IT 16, 22, 20 and 33,000. Same information if you want to get in Hindi language and all the update about COMEDK counseling, please try to subscribe my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy, and here also you will get all type of entrance exam information, so kindly subscribe the channel. Now if you talk about for NITI Meenakshi 9, 13, 15, 19,000. For RNS IT 15, 21, 22, 30,000. For SIT Tumkur 10, 13, 14, 25. Geetam 14, 35 and 65. That is for CSE, CSE specialization and EC branch. There is no ISC available. For RVITM 8.5, 10 and 13,000. For CSE, ISC, EC, there is no CSE specialization available. For SMVIT 12, 15, 16, 25. For SDM 28, 36, 38, 45. For SJB 29, 35, 36, 50. If you want to get information for any other college, you can just comment down so that in my next video I will try to include that college also. For SJB 29, 35, 36, 50. PACE ITM 45, 70, 68, 75,000. But that is for CSE, CSE specialization, ISC and EC branch. For PACE, these are not the real PACE university that you are getting through PACE-set. That will be available through KSET exam only. Through COMEDK you will not get PACE university original. These are the other college that is in the name of PACE. So be informed about this. Jain College 63, 75 and 80. Cambridge 27, 40, 34, 65. BCET, Bangalore College of Engineering and Technology 50, 70, 65, 75. Now if we talk about for BTI 60, 65, 75,000. And now if we talk about for global 32, 40, 45 and 70. These are the cutoff for all top 30 colleges I have included. If you have any more college in your mind, you can text in the comment section so that I will try to take those colleges in my next video as well. So please try to subscribe the channel. Once the counseling will start, I will guide you completely, so please try to register with my guidance so that I will guide you completely one-to-one guidance until admission is done. Everything will be done through my side only. Thank you.